That is where we translated. We started up here in coordinate 2. We translated right to coordinate 1 and we went down to coordinate 4. So this is where our ending piece is at. We are nearly done, class. Almost done. We still have a few more steps to do. We have to get our new points because they're no longer our points that we started with. We have to get our new points. The points that we started with are -5, 4, -2, let's see, -2, 4, C is, what do I have in my notes, -5, 1, I already had done these before, and D. Which is -2, 1. Those are our original points. That's where these points are. But they're no longer that. We moved down to a new coordinate. So we have new points. And our new points, there's a way to check this out. We are going to go ahead and get our x-axis. We know that this is our x-axis. And we know that this is our y-axis. We did the simpler way. Now we have to show our work. Let's go ahead and do another color. Let's get purple. We are going to get our x-axis, and to do so we're going to draw a T. Just to be a little bit organized. Now we are going to get all our x-axis, which is -5, -2, and -5, -2, -5, and -2. Bear with me. I know I'm writing a little bit small, but I have a very limited PowerPoint right here for y'all. So there's -5, -2, -5, -2. Where are those numbers coming from? Can anybody tell me? Yes, those are our numbers in our x coordinate. Now we are going to get our y coordinate and put it on the other side of the T. Let's move it over this way. Our y points are 4, 4, 1, and 1. What are we going to do with those numbers to show our work? Well, we have our 6 units and our -6 units. It's telling us to move A, B, C, D 6 units in the x direction, which is right to left, and -6 units in the y direction, which is up and down. So we are going to get our first unit, which is 6. We are going to add 6 to our x-axis. So let's do so. Add 6, add 6, add 6, add 6. What does that equal? Y'all want to do the math on y'all's own? There should be a little pattern going on. The answers are 1, 4, 1, and what? 4. Good job. 1, 4, 1, 4. We do the math. We should know that already. What are we going to do with this -6? Are we going to add it or are we going to subtract it, class? No, we're not going to add it. We have to subtract it because it has its negative. So let's put -6, -6, -6, -6. What does that equal to? Go ahead and do the work on your own for a few minutes. Alright, I think that should be enough. Let's see. Our answer should be -2, -2, -5, and -5. What are we going to do with that? Our products are our new coordinate points. We have our new coordinate points, class. Let's go ahead and go with black this time. We have found our new coordinate points with working it out. Our new coordinate points are x and y. There should be 4 coordinate points that we did. A is 1, negative 2. B is 4, negative 2. C is 1, negative 5. And D is 4, negative 5. With this work that we've done, we found our new coordinate points. Our last step that we need to do, class, is check them out. If these points don't match up to where these points are, we did our arithmetic incorrect. Let's check if they're right. Let me go ahead and pick this up. I'm going to have to fold it. For A, we have 1, negative 2. Let's count. 1 to the right, 1, 2, and that one's correct. So this one is correct. Let's go with B. We have 4, negative 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and 1, 2 down. It matches. C says 1, negative 5. Move one place to the right, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one matches. And D, 4, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe that matches. So that is an example of how we did our translation. We started from right here. We moved it to the right, which is to the x direction, 6 units, and then we did negative 6 units down. Since it's a negative, we have to move down. Where is our new points? We found our new points. We have to check. We did our work. We got our new points. Were we done then? No, we had to check, and all of them checked. So for your homework today, you only have one problem, and it is to do a translation of a triangle. And this one says, move triangle BAD 7 units in the x direction, which means what, class? Correct, right to left. And 8 units in the y direction, which means up and down. So go ahead and get started. If you finish it, you don't have to do homework. And I will go around checking y'all's arithmetic. Remember, you always have to check. You're never done. You always have to check. If all points check, well then, you got it right. Thank you.